guys, it's Corey from Wicked Ninja 48, and in this video we're going to test how far our equipment can go, our new walkie-talkies. So here's what we're looking at. We have X is receive, so we're going to keep a walkie-talkie right here in the windowsill. I'll show you in a second. And we have our transmit is going to be over here. This is about 1 mile away as the crow flies. So there's that. There's where we are. And you can imagine that this is like the terrain. So we have, we're 900 feet above sea level, but the terrain does go down if you go a certain direction, and it actually gets down to 200 feet, and then it comes back up to around 900 feet again. And that is where we're gonna go. And theoretically, how walkie-talkie works is line of sight actually is the limiting factor. So if we have a hill here and it cancels out, even we'll say right here, we'll say the signal goes and then it hits something and it's just signal loss. So we're gonna see, this should be a good test because it's a big obstacle with high terrain, if our line of sight is good enough to go 1 mile as the crow flies. So that's this part of the video. Here is our walkie. We're gonna put it right here in the window. No problem with that. But we're gonna wonder when it's gonna go. I'm gonna record. Alright, so I know it's not good, but we're gonna test, and essentially I don't think we're gonna like be too impressed with these model walkie-talkie, but let's go down the road real slow. I still got water in my ears. Taking a shower. This is a good shower, man. So here we go, going down a, like I said, so theoretically this would be a really cool spot to do a check. I'm gonna wait till I come to a complete stop and stuff, but we just really curious about these radios here because we know they put some back into it. Alright, coming to a complete stop right about now. Check. I'm hitting the TX button too. TX button. We're off. Check.
Check.
Okay. Very nice. in conclusion, we only made it to about right here until we got our only the TX call came in. We'll say low power, so 1 bar. We'd like to see we'd like to see full bars here, especially only from, we'll say that's about maybe 0.2 miles away, we'll say, if that. It's really not far, it's like down the hill. So, but as you can see, line of sight. And then as soon as we got up here to this, up here we did not get anything. So no signal over here, only a mile away. But mind you, there are lots of trees and houses, buildings in this hill. So we will try to increase our range in the next video with the same walkie-talkie. Thanks for watching.